What is up, Full Send traders? Welcome back to another trade recap. We got a lot more payouts coming, a lot more beautiful trades that were shared, and a lot of trades to go over in the Telegram. I've been sharing every single trade that I've been taking so far. Gold's been on fire. I've been on fire. We finally crossed 4,300, which is insane. Insane. And look at me, guys. I've been trading gold for the last 5 years. This is kind of like all those moments building up towards being ready for these kind of moments, being ready to execute and take action when it runs like this. And so I'm going to break down the trade that I took this morning, PM Silver Bullet. You guys know there's a new 4-hour candle that opens at 11 a.m. PST, my time zone. And during that time, which was 11 a.m. right here, you can see right here, this is 11 a.m. This is when the new 4-hour candle opened. I was obviously expecting buy side, so when it dipped down inside of the Telegram today, I shared PM Silver Bullet's about to start. I'll be looking for a long position once we tap this IFVG, which is on the 5-minute time frame, and then on the 15-minute time frame, we had an FVG and a low that wasn't tapped into just yet. So it was a relatively equal low. You can see that once we opened up, we started expanding towards that low. We finally dug into it, and I said, keep your eyes out. Boom. We respected the 5-minute. We tapped into this no wick. As soon as I saw this no wick getting respected and it pulled back, I knew we were going to run up higher, so I just got in right here with my first position. My second position came in a little bit later. You can see that I got my second position in right there. It was already running 3K just right there, and it hasn't even gotten to, you guys know where it's at right now. 1 hour FVG was also a part of this move, so that was just a beautiful trade, guys. I'm telling you, if you're not in the Telegram, you're seriously missing out. Join the Telegram, guys. I share all my trades, all of them. I literally share them before. I tell you guys exactly when I'm getting in, and all you really have to do is learn from them, guys. Look at how I use price action. Join me with the trades. Pass your funded account. Get some money on the side. Make a little income. And so this is what the trade looked like. No wick. We pulled back. We respected the 5-minute. This one I sent out a post. We started running up. We created another IFVG. We came back, rebalanced this with a 5-minute immediate rebalance. If you guys don't know what an immediate rebalance is, feel free to search up on YouTube. Go to Trades by Marky, and Marky over here has a video on immediate rebalance, the hidden ICT concept that's going to change the way you trade. How to trade immediate rebalance. So if you guys want to see that, just go to my YouTube channel, my other one, and go watch that. My other YouTube channel is just focused on strategies, concepts, educating you guys. This one's more of a trade recaps, live streams, whatever, boot camps, pretty much all the dirty stuff that I am not going to edit, that I'm not going to spend a lot of time cutting up, making sure it's nice and simple for you guys. But that channel is, so be sure to drop a sub on Trades by Marky, not Marky Trades, Trades by Marky. And I'll have the Telegram linked in the caption, so whenever you guys join in, I'll send the video links there so you guys can do that then. So we obviously respected the 15-minute. We pulled back, closed in the bottom. Beautiful trade. And I had held my position. I actually got taken out at break even on the second position, and I just re-entered when I saw that it was respecting the 5-minute immediate rebalance. And then we held. It started consolidating, and I was like, okay, guys, it's consolidating. I said majority of position closed. I ended up chopping off my 2-lot position right here. This is the one that got taken out at break even. Then we got 1.5 taken off, and I left a 0.5 running, and that 0.5 ended up being another $2,000 once it got to where the market's at right now. Absolutely crazy, beautiful day. And you guys can see, guys, this in it, there's a bunch of active people in here because they're seeing what I'm doing live. People aren't muting my channel because they want to see the trades that I'm sending out. Like the trade that I sent for Euro USD yesterday. Let me show you guys. It's literally like you guys don't understand the actual value that I'm bringing to you guys. Here, Euro USD, I'm going to hop in on the Euro USD chart, show you guys that one as well. So, boom. Let's switch over to Euro USD. Always use the Forex.com charts. Hop on the 4-hour time frame. Oh, would you look at that? I wonder what Marky was looking for yesterday in the Telegram. 4-hour FVG on Euro USD, especially since the dollar is melting. This is a pretty good long too. Dollar, by the way, is melting like crazy. Yo, my yo. Dollar, boom. Look at this. It pulled back from a 3-month IFVG, this one, into a 3-month IFVG. And so I was showing one of my 1-on-1 students today during Silver Bullet. I traded with him live today, by the way. You guys only got the Telegram But my one-on-one students, they're in there with me live. So you guys know that sometimes I would be going live at 11 a.m. I have some one-on-one students right now, so I'm just focusing on educating them. And so I'm just literally one-on-one calling with them, live trading the silver bullet. So we caught that trade live. I was telling him this right here, that we closed below. So the fact that we pulled back down means that this candle is likely to close bearish. Like, it's likely to pull back from lower into this 3-month and close bearish. So there's so much more sell side potential, which means there's so much more buy side potential on pairs like Euro USD and gold, especially, right? Gold's going to keep running. So on Euro USD, we obviously on the weekly time frame right here, what I was aiming for is this weekly rebalance, which is immediate rebalance. The same concept that I was telling you guys. Go watch this video if you want to learn what immediate rebalance is. I literally cover this in this video. Find the rebalance, scale to the lower time frame right there, rebalance, and then market will continue higher. So in this case, it would be a bearish rebalance, but the dollar is melting. So I'm not looking for sells. I was just looking for buys, and that would have been a nice target. So right here, 4 hour. Once again, take a look at the Telegram when I sent today. I'll show you guys right now. First, let's go into this trade. So first initial position I entered right here. We got a beautiful expansion right away. Right away, beautiful expansion. Ran up to like $1,000, and I went break even. Boom. $1,000 just from the first initial tap. I went break even. It went and took me out after. It went back down, took me out, but like right after it took me out, I saw that it filled up the gap and started running back up. So I re-entered, put my stop loss below the low, and I went to bed. And I woke up this morning and we ran up and hit the target. Same concepts work on every pair. 4 hour FEG with immediate rebalance target, and bang, hit that target. 3K profit secured, 10 lots. Boom. I was surprised because of the lot size difference. That was the first time I traded anything other than gold. So we got a beautiful expansion from that 4 hour. You guys just kind of like pay attention to economic factors. If the dollar is literally melting, it's burning to the ground, then buy Euro USD. Buy pairs that are against the dollar. Simple math. Come on, guys. You guys overcomplicate it. 4315, absolutely beautiful gold expansion today. And I'm done. Look at these amazing trades. Requests have been placed for some withdrawals, which I'll be showing off on the Instagram page, in the Telegram. Tune in, guys. Real results. I'm sharing it with you guys live. If you want to see this stuff, then literally just join me. Without further ado, this video is over, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.